Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we are going to start the first chapter of the half yearly, that is number system. In earlier days, when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, stick, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. To overcome these limitations, many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities, such as number of students in a class, number of viewers watching a particular show, etc. We use the decimal number system in our day-to-day life, whereas a computer represents all kinds of data and information, text, numbers, graphics, etc. in the binary number system. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. The base is written after the number as a subscript. For example, 15, the base is 10, which is written as subscript. There is a fact file. Aryabhat was India's greatest mathematician and astronomer. He introduced the concept of zero, without which modern computer technology would have been non-existent. Decimal number system. The need for counting paved the way to introduce decimal number system, in which 0, 1, 2, 3 until 9 are used to form any number. Most of our arithmetic operators are performed with decimal numbers. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. Example 82 minus 256, 52.87, etc. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digits, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Each position represents a specific power of base 10. The rightmost digit of a number is called least significant digit, whereas the leftmost digit is called most significant digit. For example, the number 547 can be represented in the following way. Example 547. So 7 into 10 to the power 0, it is at units place, so the answer will be 7. 4 into 10 to the power 1, it is at tens place, so the answer will be 40. Next is 5 into 10 to the power 2, so its answer will be 100. Total, when you will do the total, it will become 547. So what is the observation? The positional value of each digit increases tenfolds as we move from right to left. In the above mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face values and their place values are 100, tens and units respectively. Thank you everyone.